In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of TripAdvisor on your desktop web browser efficiently and without any hassle. So, let's get started. First things first, you need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the TripAdvisor website. Once you're there, you should be on the home page or your personal account page if you've already logged in. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile avatar or your name prominently displayed. This is your gateway to accessing various account settings. Once you've located your profile avatar or name, go ahead and click on it. This action will usually prompt a drop-down menu to appear. For most users, within this menu, you will see several options available that help you manage your account. Typically, one of these options is Log Out or Sign Out. Clicking on this option will successfully log you out of your TripAdvisor account, ensuring your personal information remains secure, particularly if you're using a shared computer or a public terminal. However, there might be instances where the Log Out option does not immediately appear in the drop-down menu. This can be due to a variety of reasons. TripAdvisor might be displaying a slightly different user interface based on your regional settings, or the specific version of the site you are using. You see, websites often undergo updates or design changes, which can sometimes alter the location or visibility of certain options. If you find yourself unable to locate the Log Out option, don't worry. You're not alone. Several users have reported similar experiences. In such cases, it's often helpful to refresh the page to see if the interface resolves to something more familiar to you. Alternatively, clearing your browser's cache and cookies could be beneficial. This process might prompt the website to reset and load a more updated version, thus potentially resolving the issue of missing options. Moreover, make sure you're logged in on the correct TripAdvisor account, especially if you work with multiple accounts or share a computer. Misidentification of which account is active can sometimes lead to confusion. Remember, logging out is a crucial step in maintaining your online security. It prevents unauthorized access and protects your personal information should someone else gain access to your device. Always make sure to securely sign out after each session, especially when using devices in public spaces. I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating how to sign out of TripAdvisor on your desktop web browser. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to secure your online presence by regularly monitoring your account settings and updates.